Well, there is one tiny feature in Gemini AI that I really like, and unfortunately this feature is not yet available on ChatGPT, at least when I'm recording this video. And that feature is the ability to just redo the image generation. So if I don't like this picture, I can click this redo button and AI in Gemini will recreate the image again using the exact same prompt, and the next time it is creating the image, of course the scene is going to be different and the result is going to be not the same as the previous image. So I think this is actually a very useful feature that lets you iterate or choose the best AI response in the platform. But again, unfortunately we don't have that feature in ChatGPT. You can regenerate if the content that was produced was just text content, like there's going to be the try again button right here, which is very useful. But when it comes to creating images, you don't have that redo button. There is no redo button or regenerate button whatsoever, which is really unfortunate because the image generation in ChatGPT is actually still pretty good. But despite all of that, there is one workaround that I often use to actually regenerate the image generation in ChatGPT, and that is by modifying the prompt. Now, technically, you can always start a new chat and then use the same prompt again, and of course, the picture will be different. But in case you want to keep everything within the same thread window, then here's what you can do. So just click this edit message button. And basically, again, we want to use the same prompt. I'm not going to be changing anything, but you can always click the send button. And there you go. So you don't have to change anything. And as you can see, now it is actually the second iteration. There is actually a sort of history within the thread. So you can always go back to the previous version of the chat when you are not using the redo or regenerate feature. So it is actually in a way quite similar to Gemini, except in ChatGPT, you don't have the dedicated button to actually regenerate the picture, but at least that feature, the option to just edit the message, is one thing that you can use. It is a nice workaround, and at least we can keep everything within the same chat window. So yeah, that's basically how you can regenerate or redo the image generation in ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.